Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another great episode of Yard and Foreign Life TV. We're gonna go to Portland at this time, so stay tuned and watch what go on. The shop here in a coal pot right. You see them coal pot them? I'm putting them on making them. Reggae Bash White River.
Alright.
Irie FM.
Because Irie FM already.
No, Reggae Bash White River.
Okay.
Irie FM this?
Yeah.
Okay.
This bridge, that's where the water is water.
See that one?
So if it's water.
See them.
You're now in St. Mary Ladies.
White River.
Let's separate St. Anne, St. Mary.
Most of the parishes them in Jamaica separated by rivers.
From what?
Separated by rivers. Most of the parishes them in Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
Bodies of water. That's how they term it. When we used to learn in a geography. Bodies of water. So okay, so San Susie Hotel.
Oh.
Right there, San Susie.
Watch that on the hill. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Flemming, right?
It is now commercial.
So James Man used to do his own stunt, and he even get beaten by one of the alligator them.
Are you over here, Sabrina?
Are you
Are you
things
over
over here, so?
How much
Much pineapple them? Much pineapple? $10? 300?
Not none of that. How much your bag of cane?
What kind of ackee them there?
Let me come on. Come talk to me over a stop.
Talk to me if I bought a ackee. Alright. So it's a real Jamaican ackee. A Jamaica we there, so happy Jamaican ackee.
Right, butter ackee. You know what?
$2.50. How that you say? A $2.50.
That's what you went after that? Oh no, we are selling it.
How?
In that corner.
The big old trucker belt up on.
Forgive me, I do a YouTube channel, you hear? You want the penny? You want the link? You don't want the link? Oh man, we are talking about I deal with food and them sitting there, so you're not exempt. Runway lizard, no?
Huh?
Runway lizard.
You can't throw away your county coming out. Take out your money, baby, love.
How much money me owe?
You see how we kind? Eh? Could I take away your money now?
No, you're not going to take it.
Oh, okay.
And everybody stays, sir.
No, I'm not stay.
How much one bag of cane?
200.
2 bills.
Yeah.
I don't know if everybody eat cane, but I buy just 2 bags.
Mama, now the small sugar pine, this out the green and yellow one.
You have data on your phone? I still want you subscribe so that I can see you.
Like this. Right there, one here.
Smaller than that, no, we don't want it so big. Now we have to get each like one little one like this, but the sugar pine.
We have peel pan now. We have peel small pan.
I take them 2 bags of cane. I take them 2 bags of cane.
Okay.
So I do see there.
Went too big.
I'll be a 3 pound, 3 and 4.
How much for this? Now tell me 3 bills up. 3 bills I say? 9 bills.
Yeah, eh?
You want to come out? You have the jackfruit them where we can eat. We don't talk about that. You have to go.
The pick out that bag.
You don't have that. Okay.
Doesn't matter by here, Mama.
Okay.
How much is the feet again? 250.
They are dozen.
If you blow around the corner. I like a stall. Oh, you sell it them there. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I must forget some have a key apple in my car. Want this? You want this? $900. No want it? Oh, sorry.
Can we arrange?
Okay.
So this is my first dozen. Here?
See one day, no, dash that way.
No, it have to throw away stuff.
You mean that one day?
Yes, Elvis.
she a quit the mountain, she must know. Okay?
Here we go. Yes, I'll soda. Yeah, Pepsi.
I think I'm gonna look.
Which one?
You don't have no ice jelly?
Look here, you see if you have it. Man.
$5 plus
2 dozen.
plus how much you said?
The cane,
$2.
$400 that. The cane.
100.
4.
So $9. Hey, so the place name again?
They're for Haywood.
Haywood, right, Haywood.
Is that 2 years, you said?
Yeah, we'll take the 2 cane. So what you say your name again?
Shamika, my name is Shamika.
And where you there? Where you
In
there?
Whitehall.
Whitehall. Just tell them tell the people if you find you.
Yeah, Whitehall sent me.
Tell the people if you find you. As you come around which corner?
You come around SS Corner or Portmore, you're coming from Little Bay or coming from Portmore side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I hear that people.
Yeah.
So let's go and check her out. She have some good things on the stall. Fine looking foods. So yeah. What kind of mango this?
This Indian mango beer.
How do you sell it? How you sell it?
3, 4 and 5. Me and 20 mangoes.
Few much. How you sell them thing? Nice berry.
So then I'm on almost $300.
Me I do a YouTube channel, you know. Me I do a YouTube channel. So you might see yourself on it. Back out your phone and subscribe now so if you want to see it. You hear?
$1,200.
What kind of mango this?
East Indian.
East Indian.
Want some?
What them search?
So then when I said he said wait to. Come over here, so please.
Okay. We take up some already now?
No.
It's $1,200.
No, hold on. You want that one?
That's a $400 one.
No,
For one. Yes.
a 400 they say?
This is one year tree.
Oh, that's why you separate it.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Alright. Do what you do then.
No, we don't work with no 5. We work with the 3 bills.
Reggie, you have data on your phone ready for subscribe.
Alright, way back then.
Yard and Foreign Life TV, all English spelling. YRD.
We're making this better than the right man.
And then you tell the crowd where you find you know.
Yeah, 300.
You hear? Much?
$1,200.
Alright, hold the wallet there, because I'm not do sitting.
3.
Get it on YouTube?
Don't give me back, Papa, please.
Remember the thinking to them here?
How much, Papa?
$100.
Okay.
Oh, I want that.
Well, Thinking too. I want to come from the tambourine family.
So the on the sweet side?
It tastes good enough. But it's bigger. Bigger.
What do you think?
Yeah. It's like a tamarind. So 13, are you looking?
Yeah.
So this included thinking too.
Yeah.
$20.
Are you a Pepsi?
Oh, how
You
much?
treat, you see, you find it? Yard and Foreign Life TV. Why are you find it? Let me see it. You subscribe? Respect. So tell the people if you find you know.
You can find where White House.
Which part? What your name? We now have to do this. You know? Alright, make we do it again. This cut. Camera, light action camera. What the people can find it? What your name and just tell me location. Ask for who? Ask for who? What if you ask for? Who if you ask for? Pat. And we find that. Which, when you come around, which corner? Islington, White House, St. Mary. Alright, people. Yeah, what's your name again? Pat. People, name Pat. Right after you come, right at the Brockway. Yeah, man. So, if you want the goodies them there, you can see the nice goodies them they have. Yeah, man, you can come in forward and buy some things. A mango season, you know, and they have enough mango, enough East Indian mango, and Nesberry. Not true? Yeah, man. Respect here.
Can I get that one here?
Yeah, man.
That one here. What am I going to do, sir?
Julie.
They don't ripe. How much you sell Julie for? $100. How you sell them pine now? How much? 3 bills. Okay.
Miss Julie, you're not right.
You tie back so tight.
Yeah, I'm lose it.
Look here. Come here.
Me attack.
No, a lady.
Okay.
That's there too. So then I know you take the smaller one where is the 100. Right? Because I've been more right.
Oh, listen, me lose it.
Wait, maybe.
Oh, it's a lose.
Alright, so make you do the math.
Oh, you sell your sweet, your soursop.
That's what man.
Oh, you sell your soursop.
Much of the Pepsi here?
Oh, you soursop, sir.
Pepsi
Oh,
already.
thank you, darling. Thank you so much.
Must be
So
so.
this is 12.
Much
Okay.
doesn't feel okay.
15.
How much for free can?
Thanks, happy.
Free, me say no. Okay.
Much free cane? $100.
Alright.
And the jackfruit. What do you sell the jackfruit? Okay, okay. 3 bills.
Lovely, what you doing? Yes. She have a soda.
Nice. Thank you.
Chris. Yeah, 3 bills?
You're the man. A train? I recommend it from Canada.
Man, I say clear the way.
Yeah, trailer.
Man, I say clear the way. Clear the way.
Stand up there to get it. tell her where you're there. What is it?
There's a bag of pineapple there.
What is it?
$100.
Oh, okay. You like pineapple?
Thinking so.
Sweeter than tamarind.
Yeah, man.
We bust them.
Yeah, I bust them. No, something like tamarind.
Look at this.
Something like tamarind. A tamarind family.
Pinky white.
But yeah.
So why name thinking to it? I guess it
That's
smells.
it's just a name. Oh.
But when you eat it, it tastes good.
Want me to eat? Yeah, pizza. Yeah, man. Syndicate headquarters and jerk center. Chop it, cut it now. Chop it that way. Thank you.
Thank you.
All day. Say you serve me soup that you look like you want to stay with you all day.
You want to
This is good to the bone.
What is your?
Season to the bone. See my kind of thing that you see when steamer come from the soup? That's it. That is it. Thank you.
Nice. Look here. Half a spoon of the pepper.
Jerk chicken. It's a chicken soup.
Chicken foot soup.
Chicken foot soup. Cow skin. Big.
Big taste. Taste it. Tastes like they put all some like goat in it.
There you go. Pepper.
really good.
The Syndicate.
Trust me. In a long way. Best soup ever. In a long way, best soup ever. Best soup ever.
So long time in the mix.
When you turn, and you say that. The best soup you ever have in a long time. Thank you, babe.
Doggy. May I please have a cover for the soup? Small soup.
Trust me, man. See real time, you know? Original.
Doggy.
I like that.
The boss man.
The flavor will tie up in it. Yeah.
We have a YouTube channel. I don't know if you advertise yourself. Make people know where. Yeah?
I don't meet out now. We talk about drop it down.
Huh?
You say drop it on.
Food tastes good in a youth. Where there? Where there? Where phone that?
Yeah?
Where phone now?
Phone? No, I'm not one service.
Go to YouTube still, I'm at type here. When you get Wi-Fi, you just subscribe.
Anyway, thank you so much for the meal.
Turn on already. Start video.
Yeah man, it's a video. Yeah, me are on Foreign Life TV. What you say there?
The business is Syndicate HQ, but the place, location was Roadside, St. Mary.
Alright, so
It's not
people,
hard to find, it's on the map.
so if people hear that,
Very
you
easy
can
to
find
find.
it on Google Maps.
Very easy.
Yeah man.
They die here and abroad. Can't find us come
Yeah,
right
fine.
here for that Jamaica.
Yeah man. Food tastes really good.
Trust me.
Yeah, I remember.
7 days a week.
7 days a week. Why hours?
I'll go straight to next morning.
Straight till the next morning.
12,
Alright.
1 o'clock.
Alright. People
Open
hear
from
that.
11.
People hear that. 11 o'clock. 11 a.m. 7 days a week. Right up until.
Right up.
Yeah man. Alright, respect here.
Yeah, man, that's our rhythm boss.
We've been locked up inside now for too long. We've been waiting on bad news to be gone. Now the good times have finally come along. Yeah, we feeling better now, and we not dead yet. Plenty sunny days ahead. We gon' hang with all of our friends and have big fun together. Beautiful summer, here we come. We gon' go crazy, we gon' let it all go. Beautiful summer, here we come. And we gonna have some big, big fun tonight. We gon' jump in that ocean, take a swim. We gon' let that old sunshine touch our skin. Cause it's time for the good times to begin. Yeah, we feeling better now. It's a holiday. No more worries, time to play. Come and hang with all of your friends and celebrate together. Beautiful summer, here we come. We gon'
called a race course. Yeah, that's the name race course. right turn, carry you up to Blue Mountain.
Okay.
Which one carry you up
This
to
right,
Bellevue?
up a Bellevue. Bellevue.
Bellevue then leave a Portland.
This are Buffalo Square. So that carry the
Blue Mountain.
Blue Mountain.
Blue Mountain.
I mean, there's more than one way, but that one is the easier one. And that road, I tell you, can carry up to the place I'm going to talk about. But all the roads and the road, not the road. So is that side there alone.
You see that church here? I'll sing to the top. I can't sing already.
Oh yeah.
Methodist.
Oh, and a Methodist. It's our church as
Rally, yes, rally nice. You know a nice boat here, rally on harvest. Very nice. Very nice. Then we harvest because the church will watch on Sunday. I hope we have harvest at one. Annually.
The right of Pesa. Heart, the right of Pesa.
They have heart.
And they are, that's what I love about it. Equip the nation. Because equip the nation to what
lure no youths.
They like 26 minutes.
Take a rafting, and you have to take that for go up with them. You have to take a raft. So carry them up right up on them, which are them.
Cheap at them there. Mommy, I need to buy some pot here.
Is it fish pot?
No, pot for cooking.
Oh.
In a milk pot them.
No, we don't want them. We want everything here about fish pot.
No, pot for cooking.
I love fish pot.
You know, fish pot where you catch fish in
I bet that we want some fish pot.
Oh, yes, so
Then we
nice.
get them up in the hill. We'll pick them up.
So you don't have to pay for the so you just go on the beach.
Yeah, I realize.
Jamaica and very good district in the island. So yes, someone in bed home. Someone there.
Now you know where they're coming.
Yes. We have to listen to the talk show every day.
Watch on car, watch out.
Seriously?
Yes, the people are local. You know, man, they feel wild. Anybody's that's the way you think happened there, so.
It turn
Wrong
over.
time, not true.
It turn over.
Question wrong person.
Like, no man, you run taxi running, so you're in there when it happens.
Oh, no, I don't run taxi around.
The way you deal with the road, it look like, the way you deal with the road,
The
it look
car is
like,
parked. The car is parked on the side there, and it's not
You know what I'm
big
saying?
enough to hold the car.
You know what I'm saying?
That is what happened. Even though I want to look up matches box.
But it turn over, because
And they got up.
the two wheel them lift up.
And you don't want to take it, you know.
Yeah, two wheel them lift up.
Because they try to run it up there and it's small. And space no wide enough to hold it.
and the first glass mash up.
You're at Jamaica, you there, you know. Listen up, at Jamaica, you there, you know. And especially here from here, so well good.
What is the
This is
case?
case.
Yeah.
All you gave me was fries.
Oh, you see this? Norwich Primary School here.
Up there, sir, at Titchfield Hill. Up there's a Titchfield High School there.
Oh yeah? Okay.
So they get in the police level?
Yes, that's them.
That's them, yeah. Was boy picnic.
Y'all beat it.
Shut there on this one.
Come on the next side.
Run up, change it, man. No, but you go down there. You can walk the sun from there.
Yeah, walk a truck. Well, let's say you're gonna come from there.
Park under this one.
You're supposed
Alright,
to
when you jump out, make me turn and fix myself properly.
Not rock, but trash rock. The what do you call it? What? You know the
Rock them with the fuzzy edge.
Yeah, they rock them with the fuzzy edge.
Oh, I mean Jamaica National Rod.
That's what they call it. Yeah, they call it trash rock.
Actually, can I have the AC? Maybe one day, so we can chat to people there.
Oh yes, we love this. I love in the market. Woohoo! Yeah, nice. Love this, smell it. That's Jamaica.
You know what you smell when you smell good to me?
Hey, listen man, there's a unique smell that Jamaica come with. When you know say you can blindfold me and give me the smell and you know something there yard. Elvis, you smell that?
Yeah, I smell it.
Don't have beer. This is don't have beer. But we can't ball out. Jamaica! Look at this, look at this, look at this.
Yes, I know. What place them again? Titchfield. Yeah. Watch this man asleep. Watch this now. Man asleep.
Taste these patties.
That they want them to taste good. It tastes good.
It's tasty better than juicy. You know, warm tone and juicy.
Some.
You have to get the right taste the patties.
So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Like and share this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.